Hello everybody, welcome to 90 Day Challenge Day 7, and today we're going to get LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is one of the social networking sites that we're going to use in order to get the message out there about who you are, what you can do, and the kind of opportunities you're looking for, and most importantly the kind of people that you want to be talking to in order to make that transition from education into employment. Now, one of the ideas that we've got is that, having looked in the business directories yesterday, you already have an idea of the kinds of businesses that you're looking to work in and the kinds of people that you want to get connected to. So LinkedIn is just one way of doing that. And we've created a screen capture which will basically show you how to join LinkedIn. All you need to do is go to the homepage, which is www.linkedin.com/home. Put in your name, first name, surname, email, and the password, and that will then take you inside LinkedIn, where you can create your own profile, which is your online CV. Put as much detail into that as you can, and then once you've done that, which will take about 20 minutes, I reckon, you can then start to search for people who you want to get connected to, either through their company name or their personal name or whatever it happens to be. So that's what I want you to do. Go to LinkedIn, get your profile up there, and then we'll talk tomorrow about booking in for a real live networking session with real live business owners. But for today, we're just going to do some practice online. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Take care.